Are you the one that always forgot to bring your phone when going out? Or maybe you misplaced your wallet or forgot to bring your wallet when you're going out. Okay. Now I want to recommend this KeyFinder. Once you have this KeyFinder installed into your apps, okay, you can find your phone. Use the KeyFinder to find your phone. Or you lost your wallet, don't know where you place it, you can use your phone to find your wallet. Okay. Now I want to show you how to set up. Let's go. First of all, you need to install this eye searching. Okay, this is the eye searching. Okay, so I open it. Eye searching. Okay, it's running. And this is a KeyFinder. To switch on this KeyFinder, okay, press and hold 6 seconds. Okay. To make sure is it power on, you press and see. Yeah. Now it's power on. Then you go back to here. You see the plus. Okay. Tap the plus. Then it search for the device. You can see here it's not connected. Okay, now I try to tap this not connected. Okay, I tap this click alarm. Okay, once you found it, stop. And you also can change the name. Right now is name it iTag. You go to this site, okay, iTag. You change it to, okay, wallet. Confirm. Okay, back. Yeah. Okay, let's do a demo. This KeyFinder I put inside my wallet, or maybe you also can hang it somewhere. So I leave my wallet here. Okay, say that I'm going out. I want to going out. Okay, now I want to walk away without my wallet. See what happened. Let's go. Okay, wait for a while. Okay. Now is alarm. You know that you forgot to bring your wallet, you have to go back. Okay. Don't touch anything yet. Okay, you just go back. When come near to your wallet, you auto off the alarm. Okay, this time I purposely don't want to bring my phone. Okay, I just take my wallet. Okay, see what happened? Wait for a while again. Okay. You open up and see. So it remind you that you forgot to bring your phone because this keychain is connected to your phone. So you just walk back. So same thing if you want to find your phone. Okay, now I want to show you how to use this KeyFinder to find my phone. Okay, in this messy room, what you do is you double click this KeyFinder. No, try again. Okay, go to the place that sound from. Oh, here it is. So to switch off, okay, you can either double click again. It's off now. How is it? Is it very good that you can find your phone and your phone can find your wallet. Yeah, get in now. See you. Bye bye.